One interesting fact about Dex Arbitrage Trading is that it is one thing to spot the opportunity and it is another thing to implement the opportunity, because matter of fact, the profit only comes, or the outcome only comes, when you do the implementation. That's the more reason in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the implementation, so that way you can get to know how it works better for the optimum result. Because matter of fact, doing the implementation will help you out to know how it works in real time. This will enable you to take the rightful decision. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video real quick and let me walk you through on how to achieve it. So first off, we're going to be using this application called DexScreener as usual. Let us make some changes to the filters so we can see how we can, look for any coin out there to use it in doing the implementation after spotting the opportunity. So this one is quite very straightforward. I had already put in a bunch of filters here. This first one has to be on Solana, and this other one has to be on trending 6 hours as usual there. And also when you scroll to the right hand side, you're going to see liquidity. Liquidity is right here, so change the liquidity to about 120,000 minimum. Okay, that's for the minimum side of it. Look at it here. So after then, we also made some changes to the volume. The volume has to be around, mine is about 1.5 million as it is shown there. 1.5 million for the minimum volume. And also for the pH, I left it at 5 hours. Okay, this one is quite very straightforward as well. That means the coin shouldn't be older than 5 hours. And we also made some changes to the buy side liquidity of about, not really buy side liquidity, buy side volume of about 5,000, minimum of about 5,000, and also the sell side volume of about 5,000 as well. So after all of that has been done, here are all the coin we got based off of those filters. So our obligation is to pick any one. Let us see how we can spot this opportunity. And keep in mind, after spotting this opportunity and you found the opportunity, implementing it shouldn't take you way more than 2 minutes, because this coin do move rapidly. So you might probably get trapped in of the markets being efficient if you are not fast. So if you spot the inefficiency, your obligation is to be fast as a robot, if you can, to do the implementation, because that will help you out to probably, get more of I don't know, but that will help you out to outstand the market pretty much, because these coins do move rapidly. So always bear in mind that the faster you are, the better for you. So after then, we're going to now pick any coin. Let me click on this one. And by the way, as you can see, these coins liquidity are not locked. So keep in mind, you do not have to hold this coin for a longer time. This one is called PRI. Since this liquidity is not locked, but our strategy always says this liquidity has to be locked, because the liquidity cannot be taken out if it is locked. So this one not being locked, it is quite very high volatile, because this guy can probably wake up a day and take out the liquidity, and you might probably be holding coin that you might not even be able to sell. But anyways, let us copy this contract. This is where we'll be heading to now. Copy this contract of the PRI. Let us open up DexScreener and Jupiter. These are the two predominant application. Predominant DEX application will be using during the course of this tutorial to achieve this. So the first one is going to be DexScreener. Okay, DexScreener is also same as like Jupiter or Radium. It is still a decentralized exchange. So now you're going to click on open now. Once you've clicked on open, you're going to connect your wallet. I'm going to be showing you how to do that as well. Connecting your wallet is quite very straightforward. Let me show you that before any other thing. Before you could connect your wallet, you might have searched up a coin you intend to like buy, or you click on any one here, because DexScreener is going to show you like a bunch of coins you might probably put into consideration if you want to. But for me personally, I'm going to search up my own personally, and after searching it up, they'll probably give me an option to like connect my wallet if I want to. So now I've pasted the contracts there, and within a twinkle of an eye, the coin has popped up. So all I'm going to do now is to click on it apparently there. Once I've clicked on it, you get to realize that it will bring up exactly what we had there. The liquidity has even increased to about 252 now. So anyways, we're going to check on the buy side first of all, since this is the first exchange we had to like get involved. So now you get to see that when we want to buy this coin now for about 0.21 sold, that's the one I'm going to use. 0.21 sold is going to give us about, look closely below here, 0.21 sold is going to give us about 102,006, approximately 670 of the PRI coin. And there's some fees applicable in terms of like the platform fees and the priority fee, and those are pretty low because it is not going to like take a whole lot. So about 102,900 there, 103,000 approximately. So now we're going to be adding on to the second exchange, but before then, if you want to connect your wallet here, it is quite very straightforward. Anyways, we will still come over that. I think my wallet is connected. That's the more reason I do not have an option to like connect my wallet again. If your own is not connected, you probably have an option to connect. It's always shown down below here. It's always shown down below here whenever you want to like sell or buy. If your wallet is not connected, you're going to see it right below there. But anyways, since my own is connected, I see no reason of bothering myself anymore. So let's head over to Jupiter. We're going to be using DexScreener and Jupiter to do the spotting of the differences. This will now help us to take the rightful decision. Like this one now, my wallet is connected like apparently. As you can see there, some random alphabets there. So that means it is truly connected. So we are going to now click on this one, since we'll be swapping from Solana to something else. So let's click on that one and paste the contract there we had copied initially from the DexScreener application, if you can recall. So after pasting the contracts there, you get to realize that it is going to like pop up PRI there. Then we click on it apparently. You just have to like click on this one. It will now prompt it to the swap page. So after then, there are some warnings for sure. So always be in mind that this shouldn't be this tutorial shouldn't be a financial advice. Always conduct your research as well. I'm not telling you to go ahead to do what I'm doing in this video. This is quite very subjective. So always be in mind that you're responsible for any decision you take on your account. This is only meant for educational purposes only, because even Jupiter has even given you a bunch of warnings here, as you can see there. So how much more of me that I should not even give you a warning as well. So Bear in mind, you're responsible for any decision you take. I'm not telling you to go ahead to do this. By the way, this is only meant for educational purposes only. So now I'm going to switch this icon to the upper side real quick, and let us see what we have there. When we want to buy 0.21 sold on this one, 0.21 sold, you get to realize that we'll be getting about 103 on this one. So that practically means that this one do not have the opportunity. So your obligation is to look for like pretty much any opportunity you could find. There are dozens of them. So you just have to like set up yourself in the point of, if the opportunity is there, you are going to quickly, execute real fast. So let's look for another one. Hopefully we could perform a trade and see how it goes. And keep in mind, there are also fees involved. So stick around to the very end so that you can get to know how these fees are being calculated and how it affects the overall concept of this. So let's look up this one that was launched 52 minutes ago. The liquidity is about 176k, and it looks pretty good. Let us now make the comparison between the differences real fast. Okay, you do not have to like wait any much longer. The faster you are, the better for you. So I'd copy the contract real quick. Let me open up Phantom, and this will enable me to like use different decentralized exchanges. We have like you know different of them, but we will be narrowing down to like two, in this case Jupiter and DexScreener apparently. So right off the back, my battery is like kind of like going real fast down, so I should be fast in this as well, so that way I wouldn't get cut off. So what's going on now? We are going to now click on this section as usual. We are clicking on here, we are clicking on this side. So I think the previous one gave us about this token gave us about, before the recording got stopped, 186,000. Keep in mind 186,000. Then we quickly head on to the other one, which is DexScreener. Here is the one we're looking for, the first result there. Then I'll click on open. Then I'll quickly search for the coin real quick there. When I click on the search button, you all know how this is done, so I cannot like go through pointing it out step by step anymore. I have to be fast in this. I do not want to like miss out on this opportunity before my battery like get exhausted. Let us quickly do it. Let us click on buy, and I'll put in 0.2 sold. 0.2 sold, please. This one is 164. Imagine. So that means this one is trading at a lower price. If you buy here, you can quickly sell it on there. So let's buy here 0.2. Then we click on buy. You have to be fast in doing this. I told initially there are some fees applicable. So if you should look here, you can see the network fee 0.00001. I think 3 zeros and some Solana there. There's also a platform fee. So, but anyways, let's see how it goes. Let's click on buy. So I'm going to process the buy real quick there. Keep in mind, I'm not telling you to go ahead to do this. Keep in mind, this is meant for like an educational purposes only. Always conduct your own research before thinking of taking any decision financially. Okay. Having said that, if you're interested in getting my mentorship, the link to contact me, all my details are down below. So right now we're going to paste the token there because we are aiming to sell it. We already bought it, as you've seen. So let us quickly sell it off. This way we will get to retain a little profit out of this. And keep in mind, this can be done often. Like if you can spot 5 effective opportunities like this in a day, you would have stand a chance to like make some decent money over time. So let's quickly sell it off and see how much we will make. We will make, you see, we are selling for 170,000. We've made some profit there. I'll quickly sell it off. Let's now head on here and see what we have. So I haven't head on to the home page. We got about, I think, 45 now. We started less than 45. So that's the power of doing this. Imagine making like a little money out of this small capital. You would have stand a chance to like grow it consecutively over time if you can compound. Okay. So in the meantime, that will be all for now.